Grand Rising, beloveds. Ooh, child. It's been a long night. I went to bed really, really late because I was up packaging orders and trying to get stuff together. And this morning I got to get up because we got to do some shipments and we got to run some errands. I want to take y'all to the herb store that I usually go to that's here in Philly. That's one of my herbal providers because we have more orders coming in that do not have the herbs that I need. So I need to run there while I wait for my shipment to come from my distributor that's in California. I also need to go meet up with an investor. I don't know if I'll show y'all all of that. We'll see. Just depends on how much space I have on my camera. What else I need to do? We're going to breakfast with mom, child. We need a moment to go to breakfast. So just come along with me. We're gonna go run some errands. And I will take you to the post office with me and show you all the packages that we're packaging and get all that stuff together. Let's go along. One thing about me, girl, your girl's gonna always have on a sweater. I don't know, recently since I came back from Senegal, my temperatures is just different. So I'm always cold, where before I used to always be sweating. But we're gonna brush our teeth, we're gonna wash our face, we're gonna get a shower, and we're gonna come back. All the ladies who are new to head wrapping, your underscarf, baby, what Muslim women call your underscarf, is key to making your headpiece either stay or move. So a lot of women prefer like satin and things like that next to the skin, because when I'm moving about, I sweat a lot. Your girl pretty much always wears cotton underneath as her headpiece, because then it will absorb the moisture and keep my top scarf nice and clean. So when I get done wrapping this, we are going to head to the shop so that we can package orders. And my cat is in heat, so I hope she doesn't interrupt all of what we're doing, but yeah, we gotta go get this thing together. Mom will be here in probably like 10-15 minutes, so we'll head to the shop and get everything together there for shipment, and then we'll go to breakfast, of course, and then after that I'll probably head to the post office and then to the investor and all that good stuff. So come on along. Let's go do it. Good morning, my beloved spirits. Y'all, thank you for another day. Okay, so I checked the computer. We had 2 more orders that came in last night, and so I'm going to package them. So I think all in total we have 5 that we got to package today. And I just started something new, so if you recently ordered from me, then you'll probably be getting a text message after your order is fulfilled. But I just started something new where I package all the orders that come in and post them to social media, and then tell the customers who purchase to go and see it on the platform as a cute way for us to build community, and for you to be able to see your package get put together. So I am going to head to do that. We've saged the space. which you guys know is really important to me. And I will burn some incense as well when the sage goes out. I'm gonna try to get all the packages done before, you know, we go out to breakfast, but I don't know if I'm gonna have a chance. So if I don't, then I will finish packaging the remainder of the products before or the remainder of the orders before I go meet with the investor, and then I'll take you with me on that ride. Okay, let's go package. Okay, so we had two large fibroid and cyst blends that came through. So I need to restock those 2 bags because I just realized that I ran out of the large fibroid and cyst. Now, when we come back from the herb store a little later, and this is probably going to end up getting cut into 2 different vlogs because it's a lot that goes into packaging herbs and shipping and all of that, and I want y'all to be able to see how I do it. But anyway, so when we come back from the herb store, Rukaya and I are going to have to package herbs tonight because we actually have an event tomorrow for Kwanzaa. We're going to be vending, so I have to, like, you know, rush and get everything together because that event starts at 11 tomorrow, and I'll take you guys on that, you know, trip with me as well. And so we're going to have to package more Yoni steams and things like that to be able to take, and I'll show you like how I organize my packages and like how I take them with me on vending trips so that they're already organized when I get to my destination. But let's get to packaging these fibroid and cyst blends, and then when I come back, I'll show you guys my herb storage when I come back from the herb store.
For something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go.
Now I put this sticker as the closure for all of the Yoni steaming bags. If I could get the sticker off. Actually, I could take my glove off because I'm not packaging herbs anymore. It's getting difficult for me to get the paper off. Put that in the trash when I'm done. And so this is the finished product. Now, anybody... Shit, I forgot. I'm doing two different... Now, anybody that orders actually gets a Christmas package as well, which are stored here. And I have these little slots that I got from online. So I just put that in the package along with it. It already has the how the Yoni steam in there. It has a mini sample, and it also has a scrunchie for the hair with the business card, the follow us card, all of that kind of good stuff. So that'll all be going into the package as well. And then I have these shipping labels that have the logo and stuff on there. Maybe one day I can show you guys how I make them on Canva. And it just has the address, and I'll just put the person's first name so their privacy is kept. But that's that, and then I just place it on the package. Okay, and so as you know, the second person also got a fibroid and cyst package. So we are going to put that on as well. I'm just cleaning out some little herb that's left in the seal before the seal. Yeah, so, and you know that I'm recording at the same time on another device in order for me to be able to put this up on social media. So girl, you should see me trying to manage this bag on camera. Okay, so this next order got 2 smoking blends. They got our Punani Power smoking blend, and they also got our Perfectly Balanced smoking blend. So I'm going to package these 2 up, and then of course they will also get a Christmas thank you or holiday thank you package as well, with the scrunchie, the sample Yoni steam, and all of our information inside. We wrap all of our smoking blends inside a black tissue paper. Okay, and so this last order is from my beloved Mal, and she got 4 waist beads. Okay, so I also make these labels on Canva. I will come back and show all of that for those who are running businesses, and I will also put it onto our Yoni Love Herbals YouTube page there. So she ordered Summertime. She ordered the Calm Before the Storm. Oh, let me show you Summertime. So this is Summertime. It's like pink, greens, pastels, whites. She got the Calm Before the Storm, which is like golds and tans and whites. She got African Spirituality. It's like a yellowish, opaque yellow color. with browns and like iridescent beads. And then last but not least, she got Joy Filled. It's similar to the first one, but it has yellow. Now, she's also going to get a body wash because she was on our live and she ordered while she was on a live, so she gets a free body wash from our shopping club. And then, of course, the holiday package as well. Now, we, of course, got to bubble wrap the girl because we can't have it getting torn up and packaged. So these are some scrap bubble wrap that I had left. And so I'm just going to wrap this and then tape it up. Okay, so we have packaged all the orders, and so now I'm just going to get everything together. Mom just called, so she's on her way. We're going to be going to brunch. But I want to say really quickly, just as a side note for those who are trying to do international shipping, when you go to the post office and you do your shipments, have them give you some of the international shipping forms and bring them home. That way you could fill them out. And so when you go to drop it off at the post office, it's already filled out. You don't have to worry about filling it out while you're in line. Because sometimes, especially right now during the holidays, the post office be packed. Ain't nobody got time to be sitting there filling out no form for 15, 20 minutes and then have to wait in line again. So get you forms, bring them home. They will allow you to bring them home and put them in your storage. So you can see like this is my shipping station. So these are my international forms. We've been getting a lot of customers who have been ordering from Canada and Mexico and like inquiring about different stuff like in South Africa and places like that. So we ship internationally. So get you forms, get them, bring them home, have them already available, and use those to ship your products. My mom got me the cutest little shipment bag. I'm so super excited because usually your girl just put everything into a big old tote. So this is what we send all of our shipments in. Like when we don't have that many packages, we only have a couple. Ooh, let me hide that person's address. When we don't have that many packages to ship, I just put them in here. So we're going to load this up and then we'll be ready to go. All right, y'all, let's go. Hey, Ma.